Hi everyone, welcome to Quick Mommy Hacks. Isn't it exciting to prepare the nursery, buy all the cute baby stuff? Well, often we end up spending money on things that we never use, and it's only after the baby is home that we realize why did we even buy so much stuff. In this video, I will list 24 things for short and long-term use that I personally found to be really useful. So here we go. Number 1. Bassinet or a crib. Bassinets are smaller and convenient for newborns, and they can be used till the baby is 3 to 4 months old and sometimes 5 months. They are portable and few of them can be kept right next to your bed for easier night feedings. Whereas a crib can take up more space and is also more expensive, but they can be used long term. Some of the cribs they convert to a toddler bed, so it's all worth the extra money. Number 2. Baby lounger. Well, baby loungers are comfy and they have a cozy feel to it. They can be used for playing, chilling, resting during the day. Sometimes parents use them for co-sleeping as well, but there are contradicting articles about it. So do your research and never use it unsupervised. I personally found them to be extremely helpful. Number 3. Swaddle. Having a swaddle is so important. Swaddling is snugly wrapping the baby in a muslin cloth or a blanket. It keeps the baby secure, reminds them of mom's womb, settles them down, and helps them sleep better. You can use a swaddle for naps and night time till about 2 to 3 months, right before the baby tries to take out both of her arms from the swaddle. There are different kinds. Velcro swaddle, also called the newborn sleep sack, is easy to wrap, but it makes a lot of noise while opening. A muslin swaddle is soft and really comfortable, but it takes some practice in wrapping properly. Number 4. Sleep sack. Sleep sack is a wearable blanket. It's cozy, it keeps the baby warm, and it's better than using the heavy blankets. It can be used for night sleeps when the baby is ready to transition from a traditional swaddle. And usually sleep sacks can be used for a longer period of time. Number 5. Snap shirts, onesies, and bodysuits. I just found the side snap shirts or onesies and bodysuits to be much more comfortable than over-the-head clothing and so convenient to change during the night time. These are the items which can also be used for longer term. Number 6. Diaper changing pad. So I found diaper changing pad to be quite useful as a station to change baby's diaper. It has straps to keep the baby secure and it just makes life easier. You can also carry it anywhere in the house and change the baby's diaper while keeping the baby strapped on a diaper changing pad. Number 7. Order locking diaper pail. So diaper pail is a must for me and they can be used for a longer period of time. Dirty diapers, they smell a lot, so putting everything away sealed in a diaper pail is quite nice. Number 8. Nursery organizer and a diaper caddy. So having everything well organized at one place was quite convenient for me, and that's why I recommend using a nursery organizer and a diaper caddy. They also can be used long term, and in fact I use nursery organizer, diaper caddy, a diaper pail and diaper changing pad even today. Number 9. Saline nasal spray and snot sucker. So saline nasal spray with a snot sucker is a lifesaver. When your baby has a stuffy nose, this is so useful in clearing all the mucus. It's also much better than using any medicine since it's just plain simple saline water. And I personally use Nose Frida snot sucker. Number 10. Nail clipper and safety first hairbrush. So babies have fast growing sharp nails and they love scratching themselves. So definitely keep a nail clipper with you. Also, if your baby has a lot of hair, you can get a hairbrush which is gentle on the baby's head. Number 11. Mittens and cap. So mittens and cap are a must for newborns. You would want to get caps to keep your newborn's head warm and mittens to prevent them from scratching themselves. Number 12. Travel bassinet. So I used to travel a lot with my little one since she was 2 months old, taking short and long distance flights. A travel bassinet was really nice to have because it was really light and easy to carry anywhere, and wherever I would go, even to someone's house or a park, I would take this with me for her to sleep. It can also be used as a co-sleeper, which is great. I used the travel bassinet for about 7 months till my daughter outgrew it. Number 13. Nursing pillow and especially my breast friend. This is one of the best purchases I've made. I love this nursing pillow. It has a backrest, it's comfortable and sturdy since it can be wrapped around your waist. It's also quite convenient for C-section mommies. I even took it with me on flights while traveling, so it was very useful for me. And it was much better than holding your baby on your lap all the time while traveling. Number 14, a baby wrap or a carrier. So I was given a boba wrap, which is a stretchy baby sling, and it was quite useful in keeping the baby close and snug, especially in the newborn phase. I would say that it was really nice to carry my little one in a sling and go for walks or do household chores, and oftentimes she would just sleep in it. Another one that I used was an Ergo baby carrier, which I even use today. So it's very nice, and that can be worn by dads as well, and it can be used for a very long period of time to carry the baby either facing you or facing away. It's also easy to tie, and I have used it on all my trips. Number 15, nursing cover. So nursing cover was a must-have for me. Also because I was breastfeeding, and I was breastfeeding in public places as well. So I've personally used it a lot at airports, flights, restaurants, parks, and it's an important item to have. There are different kinds of nursing covers, and I personally like the multi-purpose ones better. Number 16, portable changing pad. So I consider a portable changing pad a must-have. It's like carrying a clutch with all the diaper changing essentials on the go. It's very light, convenient to carry, and I've used it so many times at airports for changing diapers, in flights, at parks, malls, cafes, you name it, anywhere outside, and even at home sometimes because it's just so convenient and I love it and I still use it. Number 17, bath essentials: washcloths, bathtub, massage oil, and baby toiletries. Well, this is something everyone would want to have. Especially for the bathtub, get something which you can use for infants and toddler stage. Number 18, baby thermometer and a diaper rash cream. So it's good to be prepared and have a baby thermometer handy. For infants, you can use a forehead baby thermometer, and also keep a diaper rash cream handy since a lot of newborns can have diaper rash. Number 19, cool mist humidifier. So if you live in dry weather or harsh cold climate, then a humidifier can be really useful. It helps provide the necessary moisture in the air and keeps the baby's nose from becoming stuffy. Babies can breathe better and sleep better with a humidifier. Number 20, white noise machine. So babies tend to sleep better with the white noise in the background. White noise blocks all other household noises, which tend to help them sleep without any disruption. Number 21, bunting bag for cold climate. A bunting bag is really nice if you stay in cold weather and want to take your baby out for walks. It keeps the baby warm and cozy, eliminating the weight of those heavy blankets. There are different kinds of bunting bags, so you can choose whichever suits you well. Number 22, baby swing or an exercise ball. So some parents use a swing to put the baby to sleep during the day or just to calm the baby down. I had a round exercise ball which I used instead for bouncing or rocking my little one to sleep at nights. It's just whichever motion works for you and your little one. So some babies don't like it and want to be rocked while their parents hold them, which is also completely fine. Number 23, stroller. So stroller is a common item on everyone's list, and it's good to have one. I personally use Appa Baby Cruise, and it's very convenient and also very comfortable for the baby. Number 24, diaper bag. So a good diaper bag is quite essential, especially when you are on the go. A diaper bag with multiple pockets can help the parents carry and organize their baby's essential. You can carry milk bottles, water, diapers, extra pair of baby clothes, baby toiletries, toys, and so much more. Well, this brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Quick Mommy Hacks, and follow me on Instagram for some personal tips on pregnancy, childbirth, and motherhood. Also, do leave your feedback and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below. You can also find the links to all the 24 must-have items in the description below. I would love to hear from you.